How to remove someone from group chat on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video, I will simply guide you on how you can remove someone from your group chat on Snapchat. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So very first thing, just make sure that you have updated Snapchat app so that you won't face any issues during the process. And then once you've done that, we're just going to go ahead and launch the Snapchat application. And then once we've launched the Snapchat app, just come to your chat space over here. And then once you come to the chat page, you'll be able to see your group right over here, right? So just open up the specific group chat and then just tap on the group name, which is at the very top. Once you tap on the group name here, you'll be able to see group members. So basically, if you want to remove someone, you need to be the administrator of this group, which means that someone who created this group. If you're just someone who was added to this group and then you're not the administrator, of course you will not be able to remove anybody else. But if you are the administrator and then there is a specific person you want to remove from the group chat, just long press on that specific member over here. Once you long press on the specific member, here you'll find the option called remove from group, right? So just tap on that button. It will ask you for a confirmation. Do you sure you want to remove this person? Are you sure? Then just tap on the remove this person button, and once done, that specific member is going to be removed from that group chat. This is how you can remove someone from group chat on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.